Restarting your life doesn't mean you failed. It means you're brave enough to begin again. Some people restart at 18, some at 30, some at 50. Life doesn't run on a fixed timetable. It runs on effort, patience, and courage. If you're watching this right now, this message is for you. First thing, stop fighting your past. What happened? Mistakes were made, time was wasted, trust was broken. But here's the truth, your past does not disqualify you from a better future. Accept where you are. Not to stay there, but to start from there. People think restarting life needs motivation, luck, or support. It doesn't. It needs daily hard work, even when nobody is watching. Hard work is quiet. Hard work is boring. Hard work is repeating the same effort again and again. But hard work has one power. It changes everything. Slowly, permanently. You don't need to do everything today. You just need to do something honest today. Don't wait for the right mood. Don't wait for confidence. Don't wait for approval. Start tired. Start scared. Start confused. Because clarity comes after action, not before it. Even one small step today is better than a perfect plan tomorrow. You don't need to announce your comeback. Restart quietly, work privately. Improve daily. Let people notice the results, not the struggle. Your discipline will speak louder than your excuses ever did. If no one believes in you right now, believe anyway. If progress feels slow, continue anyway. Restart your life, not with noise, not with motivation quotes, but with consistent hard work. Your future is still waiting for you. And it's not too late. So, restarting your life with new mindset